Si Mr. O, let's call him Mr. O or my ninong, best friend siya ng mom ko.
Magkano yung pinakamalaking dineposit mo? From corporation, from personal to other person, or to other corporations?
Pwede hindi ko po, But again, it's all privacy.
We're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan.
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Kasi,
Yes po.
nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now.
Are you associated with the corporations Whirlwind and Lucky South 99?
Yes po.
Yes, associate po kayo. At naintindihan po ninyo na your position in these corporations na kung saan naugnay po kayo, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ito ba ay na-organize for legitimate purposes?
Yes po.
So, Ms. Ong, kasama po sa inyong trabaho, nabanggit po ninyo dati na nagsimula po kayo as EA. Tama po ba?
Ayun po yung alam po ng other people, but not, hindi po.
Okay, so that's not where you started. Will you share with us po kung saan po kayo nagsimula?
Pwede po ako mag-refuse for privacy reason po.
Okay. You have assumed a position na marami po kayong hinahandle na applications. Tama po ba ito?
Way back 2023 po. And 2019 lang po.
Would you say po it has become part of your work to be dealing with the application of corporations?
All po.
Sorry?
Not all po.
Nag-deal rin po kayo sa applications of other corporations, hindi lang po Whirlwind. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Would you care to share with us what other corporations po you have dealt with for yung mga applications na ito?
Lucky South po. Lucky South 99. Sa PAGCOR is Lucky South only po.
Lucky South only. Thank you. Na-involve po ba kayo sa incorporation ng ibang pang mga korporasyon? Kayo po ba ay naging stockholder or officer ng iba pa pong mga korporasyon sa pagkakaalam po ninyo?
You mean, kasama po ba doon yung Whirlwind po?
Aside from Whirlwind, ibang mga korporasyon,
Yes po.
would you recall kung ano pa po itong mga ibang korporasyon na kayo po ay kasama o officer?
Pwede ko na lang isend po sa committee na to after ko i-check po sa record ko.
Okay. Familiar po kayo sa Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate?
Can I double check it po?
Do you have records with you po now or do you get
Yung
back
phone
to us
ko po kasi right now, nasa MBI po, hindi pa po binabalik sa akin. So, I cannot check. And once na binalik po ng MBI yung phone ko.
Okay, thank you. Ay. Ms. Paterna, naalala po ba ninyo being an incorporator of a certain Fujian Sheng Amoy Corporation?
Hindi po.
Si Ms. Mascareñas? Familiar po ba yung Fujian Sheng Amoy na corporation?
No po.
Not
No,
through
Your
the
Honor.
papers.
No.
Kilala niyo po ba si Ms. Paterna?
Yes po.
Can you elaborate po kung paano niyo po kilala siya? Paano mo po siya kilala?
Naging staff po siya ng corporation po. Ng company.
Can we know which specific company po yun? Sige.
Sa knowledge ko po, naging empleyado po siya, yes po. But which company, can I double check it po?
Sige po. Would you recall na lang po which office yun na naging staff po siya? Which office yung nakasama niyo po siya? Yung physical location? Ito po ba yung PORAC?
Yes po.
Apo. So, just to be clear po, Ms. Ong, yung PORAC po is the same area of operation ng Lucky South 99. Pero hindi pa po klaro kung anong korporasyon kasama po
Yes
si Ms.
po.
Paterna.
I'm gonna make sure lang po kasi
Make
under
sure.
oath po ako.
Of that, kilala niyo rin po si Ms. Mascareñas
Na totally kilala, pero nakikita po.
na nakikita.
Yes po.
May we know po kung paano niyo po kilala si Ms. Mascareñas?
Nakikita po sa company noon. Nung sa company ng ninong ko po.
Company ng ninong?
Yes po.
Sino po yung ninong niyo po?
Si Mr. Duaran U po.
Kung anong company po yun with si Ms. Mascareñas?
Again, pasensya na po. Can I double check it po? Kasi I cannot recall anymore po.
Of course po. Thank you. Ms. Mascareñas, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask you, Ms. Mascareñas, if she would recall which corporation she has dealt with Ms. Ong?
Dragonwell System po.
Dragon One System po. And this is the same corporation, a certain Mr. Duaren Wu
Yes.
was also involved.
Yes po.
Okay po. Thank you. Kilala niya po ba yung taong iyon, si Mr. Cunanan?
Yes po.
May you clarify po kung paano niyo po siya nakikilala?
Nakilala ko siya through one of the staff of the company.
One of the, I would assume we're not sure po kung alin na company po ito, no? Not yet.
Lucky South.
Through Lucky South. So isang staff po. Would you care to share with us po kung sinong staff po yun nagpakilala sa'yo kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Si Shelly po.
Shelly.
I forgot yung English name niya eh.
So Chinese po ba? Chinese
Yes.
po siya.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Chinese or other nationality po.
Opo. So Ms. Ong, through this Chinese person, si Ms. Shelly, nakilala niyo po si Mr. Dennis Cunanan. Can you confirm po if you have undergone any transactions with Mr. Cunanan? Siya po ay tumulong po ba sa inyo through any application in any agency whatsoever?
Pwede ko i-recall ulit. I'm
Okay,
sorry
of
po,
course.
pasensya na po.
Of course, that's understandable. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po si Mr. De La Serna? Mr. Chair, apologies, may we ask Mr. De La Serna to stand
Yes
up?
po.
Okay, not necessary. Kilala po. Paano po ninyo kilala si Mr. De La Serna, Mr. Chair?
Attorney Harry Roque po.
Through Attorney Harry Roque.
Yes po, sa isang dinner na meron po kaming meeting with Attorney Harry Roque that time. Tapos po, tinanong lang naman po ako kung pwede mag-join yung dati niyang tao po. So, syempre, wala naman pong so I said yes po.
Thank you. At Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, yung dinner na po yan, at least between you and Mr. Roque, business concern po yon.
Regarding po sa case po, sa company po namin.
Would it be correct to assume ito yung kaso po ng Whirlwind
Yeah.
sa ejectment? Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. And just to be clear, wala pong kinalaman, according to you, si Mr. De La Serna. Invited guest lang po siya.
Yes po.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, so paano nyo po, you've already confirmed this actually, si Mr. Duanren Wu. Siya po ay inyong ninong from baptism, tama po ba?
Sorry?
From ninong nyo po sa binyag? Kumpisa.
Wala pong binyag kasi sa Chinese. So, my mother is a Chinese po. So, wala siyang binyag sa Chinese. So, no record po at all. But, si Mr. U, let's call him Mr. U or my ninong, best friend siya ng mom ko.
So,
Ninong talaga
ninong,
po.
so through baptism.
Yeah. Wala po sa
Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Parang kakilala lang po.
So, siya ba ay empleyado ng iyong kumpanya?
Pwede.
I think kinuha siya ni Shelly.
Yan.
Manager po.
Manager.
Yes
so,
po.
kinuha ni Shelly si Mr. Cunanan.
Kung hindi po nagkakamali, yes po. Pero hindi po ako sigurado.
Okay.
Opo.
So, pero ikaw ba, nakakausap mo ba siya? Personal, nagkakausap ba kayo?
Sobrang dalang lang po.
Sobrang dalang.
As in, super dalang lang po.
So, wala bang nagkaroon ba ng pagkakataon na ikaw ay merong ibinigay na pera kay Mr. Cunanan?
Pwede pong hindi ko muna sagutin.
Okay, sige,
For privacy, I'm sorry.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you.
Gusto ko po kasi sigurado po ako sa lahat ng sasagutin ko dito. Opo.
Kahit konting familiarity, wala pong indication. Based on the fellow incorporators, given na kasama po yung ninong ninyo dyan, Hindi po.
Possible familiar, pero again, hindi ko po sigurado ko, kaya ayoko po sumagot.
Of course, understandable.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May we ask po, Ms. Baterna, familiar po ba yung document sa inyo?
Hindi po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Hindi po talaga.
Hindi po.
Pero nakita po na yung pangalan po ninyo ay naisama po dyan as incorporator.
Opo.
Tama. May we ask, Mr. Chair, is Ms. Ong, familiar po ba kayo kay Mr. Xiang Ji? Nakita po ninyo yung documents po, no? At nakita niyo po yung portion nung tungkol dun kay Mr. Xiang Che.
Yes po.
Familiar po ba si Mr. Je sa'yo?
Empleyado po siya ng company.
Empleyado po siya ng company. Wala po ba siyang position sa the company being Lucky South 99 po, no?
Dati po siyang shareholder, pero noon po.
Signature niyo po yung nakalagay po dito.
Hindi ko po sure, pero again, gusto ko sana ma-check yung phone ko, yung lahat ng documents na na-sign ko or ano.
Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Xiang Che?
Singaporean.
Singaporean. Kanyang panalita po ba ay Mandarin or
Pag Singaporean po, nakakapagsalita po ng Chinese.
sa mga panahon po na yun, ang pag-ugnayan po ninyo ay in Chinese or in English?
Both.
Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Wu?
Pwede pong hindi po mag-ano kasi hindi po siya ano.
Coordinate, pakipag-usap kay Mr. Wu, kay ninong po nyo. Ito po ay in Filipino, English, Chinese?
Chinese po.
Chinese po.
Yes po.
Nakakasalita po ba si Mr. Wu ng Filipino?
English.
English. English and
Pero
Chinese.
not fluent.
Not fluent. And is it correct to say, it was mentioned earlier, na kayo po ay translator ni Mr. Wu actually?
Naging translator
Naging
po
translator.
way back. Nagpatulong po sa way back 2019 po. After my mom passed away.
May we know po siguro, sorry to hear that. May we know po siguro kung what business he would ask for your help in translating? Ano po ba usually? Very general lang po ba siya or may business related?
Pwede hindi ko po ano. But again, it's all privacy.
Okay. You mentioned po no, that you've known personally si Mr. Harry Roque. And this is through a professional relationship as abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Tama po.
Apo.
Abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Aware po ba si Ms. Ong with the fact that when the PORAC raid was conducted, there were documents that were found relating to Mr. Roque? Familiar po ba siya sa facts na yun?
Nakita ko po siya sa news.
Sa news lang po.
Pero hindi ako familiar with all the documents na lumabas po.
Can the good chairman clarify, is it only in Region 3 po na meron tayong POGO?
Except in Cavite. But in other regions, wala na po. Metro Manila po ang nakararami sa ngayon. So, 42 po ngayon ang natitira.
Cassandra, question ko sa ito. Yung checking account na yon, lahat ng mga cheque, pinirmahan niya, ibinigay niya sa iyo. And that was testified by Ronaldin Baterna. So, hawak mo lahat ng mga cheque, control mo na yung checking account. So, ang tanong ko sa iyo, millions of pesos entered that checking account. Kani-kanino mo inisyo ang mga checking ito? Remember, you told me through text, ayaw mo maipit doon sa mga nag-uumpugang mga malalaking mga bato. So, tell us, sino yung mga taong ito na binigyan mo ng cheque?
Okay, pwede na po magsalita. Regarding naman po sa mga cheque is, I think kung hindi po nagkakamali sa mga rental po siya ng mga house po or condo. Yeah. Pero
Rentals
if
na?
million, I'm not
Oo.
sure po.
Kasi, Cassandra, no, millions of pesos ang dumaan doon sa checking account. And aside from that, how many bank accounts do you have? Be truthful, Cassie.
We'll double check it po.
10? You have 10 accounts? More than 10?
Parang wala siya sa 10.
Mga
I'm not sure po eh.
8? 7, 6,
I'm really sorry
5,
po.
4.
Hindi ko pa talaga sure,
Okay.
sir.
Wait. Kasi we will be able to find out because the waiver was signed. Ronaldin, were you able to sign the waiver?
Na-sign ko na po.
So, kung na-sign na niya yung waiver, so makikita na natin ang lahat ng laman nun. So, we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan.
Regarding po sa bank account, wala na po akong bank account pala. Pwede na po siya.
Kasi,
Yes po.
baka mabago yung damdamin ko sa'yo, ah. Ang sinasabi ko, during that time, di ba, kahit sabihin mong wala ka ng bank account ngayon, before that you were a executive assistant of the Lucky South 99 since 2019, and then now that you are the beneficial owner of the Whirlwind Corporation with 58% ownership, where what we are asking is that you're going to sign a waiver, so we're giving you a chance to tell us. Sabi mo kasi kanina, meron kang mga iniiwasan, yung mga iniissuehan mo mga
Regarding po
cheque
sa bank account,
sa
wala
mga
na po akong bank
personalities
account pala.
that involved in that
Pwede na po siya.
Kasi,
Yes po.
and now, nagkakaroon ka ng apprehension. Don't. Wag. Kasi the trust is with you right now. So, ituloy mo lang, please.
Who's supposed to answer the question, Mr. Chair?
Okay, please, we'd like to ask Attorney Topacio to refrain from feeding the answers to Ms. Cassie Ong. And
Miss Cassandra Ong, ngayon wala ka ng account, di ba? Previously, in siguro past 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, ano ang ginagamit mong account name? Your name, the corporation, how many?
Meron pong name ko. Meron pong
kung
corporation.
Okay.
Meron din po yung kay Ronaldin.
Okay.
Baterna.
Tatlo, okay.
I think yun lang po.
Tatlo. So,
Opo.
number 1, your personal account.
Yes po.
Number 2, the corporation, the corporate account.
Yes.
What is the name of your corporate
Wordwin.
account?
Wordwin po.
Wordwin. Number 3, kay Baterna.
Yes. Can I explain kung bakit kay Baterna po?
Please.
Kasi I think yung mga checking niya is rental lang po. Kasi sometimes wala po ako sa Pilipinas. So para mas maging siya yung pinapaano ko ng mga check. Pero makikita niyo rin po naman yan dahil nag-sign naman po siya ng waiver.
Magkano yung pinakamalaking dineposit mo? From corporation, from personal to other person, or to other corporations?
We'll double check it po. I'm not sure about that po.
Sa iyong pag-iisip, siyempre kung mag-issue ka ng cheque, magdi-deposit ka ng pera, ballpark figure, para at least meron lang kaming idea.
Much better na lang po i-check ko muna, Mr. Chair.
Ang hinihingi namin, waiver mo para makita ng AMLAC kung ano ang lahat ng bank transactions nung mga bangko mo. Yun ang hinihingi namin para malaman namin kung saan pumunta yung mga pera na pumasok sa bangko mo. Naintindihan mo yun, Cassie?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
So, are you willing to sign a waiver for that matter?
Mag-consult muna ako sa lawyer ko, then balikan ka na lang po ang committee if...
Your waiver is so important to us, to all your bank accounts. So we can see the transaction, where the money goes, and where the money comes. It's hard to believe that a while ago, you were thinking so deep, thinking about your bank accounts. It turned out na meron ka lang dalawa. Tama? Isa lang ang bangko mo, China Bank. May savings ka and meron kang checking account. Am I right? So isang bangko mo lang, China Bank lang.
Yes po. China Bank.
And
pero hindi
I
ko
was
sure.
asking you a while ago, I'm asking you, how many bank accounts do you have? Hindi mo siya masagot, di ba? Hindi, I mean, I'm trying to lay down my predicate. Parang it's hard for you to answer that you have more than one bank accounts. Alam mo, kasi napapaniwala mo na kami dito, sana nagsasabi ka na totoo that your accounts is more than one.
Can I explain po?
Yes.
Kasi tinanong niyo po ako kanina kung ilan yung total bank sa account ko. Tama po ba?
Yes.
So, hindi ko sure kung ilan po yung total. Lahat
So ngayon,
ng bank account
so
ko.
ngayon isa lang talaga?
Isa lang po yung bangko, pero I'm not sure kung ilan po yung...
Okay. So isa lang ang
Account.
bangko mo, but you have many accounts in that bank.
Opo.
So China Bank lang yon, tapos iba't ibang account number. Tama?
Yes.
It's all under your name?
Like what I said po, meron pong under my name, meron din po sa corporation po.
So more or less, how many accounts? Yun lahat ng yun.
Let's say mga 2 or 3, pero I'm not sure.
Okay.
Kasi, excuse me, Mr. Chairman, sabi mo, iba pa yung kay Rowelyn Baterna account. Ginagamit mo rin ba yung account ni Miss Baterna?
Ginagamit lang po siya sa rental ng condominium, ganun po, and sa space po. Pero other than that, you can check it naman po. Kasi po, para maging tag po dito, mabilis yung transaction, siya po yung checking account niya po yung pinang-i-issue namin.
Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from the Philippines to abroad? Ilang beses ka na nag-wire from your account to abroad?
Never po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Sige, I'll leave you with that, kasi Chairman Al Tenco, sa iyo, kasama si Harry Roque, at doon na pag-usapan yung Lucky South 99. Tama, Chairman?
Yes, Chairman.
And as a matter of fact, si Cassie kasama rin doon.
Kasama,
And that
dumating
was-
din po siya.
Isang beses po,
Yes.
pero I'm not sure sa date.
Yeah. And as a matter of fact, sabi ni Altenco, merong binayaran na tungkol sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Meron po.
So, you paid nung sa Lucky South 99.
Same that day na nag-visit
Yes.
kami kay Chairman Antek.
At yun yung naging topic nyo na babayaran yung mga problema ng Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
Yes, so, did you talk about the Whirlwind Corporation?
No.
No. So in other words, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Harry Roque is lying because during the investigation that we conducted 2 weeks ago, he said that Altenco, Cassie, and Attorney Harry Roque were talking about the Whirlwind Corporation. But you are telling us right now, Chairman Al, that walang Whirlwind Corporation na pinag-usapan doon. It's all about Lucky South 99.
Yes.
Am I correct?
It was all about Lucky South 99.
And as a matter of fact, Cassie, since ikaw yung authorized representative ng Lucky South 99, Attorney Harry Roque was included in the structural organization of that company. Am I correct? He is the legal of Lucky South 99.
Ayun po yung nagkamali po yung mga staff regarding dyan po. Kasi po, they expect, akala po nila na si Attorney Harry Roque po yung legal.
Okay, so hindi siya yung legal mo na nakalagay doon?
Hindi po.
Ikaw ba nag-submit ng mga application form sa PAGCOR?
Hindi po.
Sino nag-submit?
Pwede pa check sa record. Or,
No, I mean, the application form was all given sa inyo. Siyempre, ako yung aplikante at ako yung authorized representative. And in accordance sa kanilang application form, kung sino yung authorized representative, siya magdadala noon sa PAGCOR. That's the procedure, correct, Chairman Altenco?
Ganun nga po.
So, if you are the authorized representative, dadalin mo ngayon yung application form together with the organizational chart, including the name of Attorney Harry Roque, who is the the legal of the Lucky South 99. So ngayon sinasabi mo na hindi siya kasama.
Hindi po.
Okay. So in other words,
Hindi din po ako yung, sorry.
ano na?
Hindi din po ako yung nagpasa ng paper na yun sa...
So somebody ang nagdala doon.
Yes po, nagkaroon lang sila siguro ng mistake for that po.
Masyado na tayong late.
Thank you.
With that, Mr. Chairman, thank you so much. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you, Congressman Fernandez.
I only have two queries, Mr. Chair, kasi chair pa ako ng committee hearing bukas. Madam Casiong, bago po ang hearing na ito, nag-usap na po ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Doon una na ikaw ay na-cite in contempt. That is why you are here today. Magmula nung hearing na yon, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Honorable Fernandez? Kasi marami siyang alam na hindi ko alam eh. Kasi pagpasok ko dito kanina nung ikaw, ay kung magtingin na kayo ni Honorable Fernandez, may ibig sabihin eh. Oo, lingon ka ng lingon sa kanya. Akala ko nga siyang abogado mo kanina iya, hindi si Attorney Topacio eh.
Wala.
Nag-textan kayo o nag-usap kayo cellphone? Yes or no? O bakit ka nakatingin kay Honorable Fernandez? O nangungumpisal na siya?
Once lang po.
Ang text o pag-uusap?
Tell the truth.
Text and usap po, once lang po.
So, once na text, once na usap.
Yes.
Opo.
Now, Madam Casiong, kanina nung si Honorable Luistro ang nagtatanong po sa inyo, para bang ayaw niyong sumagot. Tinanong pa kita, what was your answer? Ang sagot mo sa akin, I refuse to testify. Bakit noong si Honorable Gutierrez at saka si Honorable Fernandez ang nagtanong, relax kang sumagot. Kaya tuloy ako, hindi nagtanong kanina. Pero napansin ko, nung yung mga gwapong lalaki ang nagtatanong, sumagot po kayo. At relax na. May I know the reason why?
Nung una, I really want to refuse to answer po. And then, kinausap po ako ng abogado ko na magsalita ng committee na to. That's why nagsalita po ako. Tumiming lang po talaga kay Madam Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Yun lang po ang naobserbahan ko kasi marami pong salamat.
Mr. Chair, if I may, after this, of course, the Sergeant at Arms will bring her to Mandaluyong. But since she cooperated, rightly with all of us, I think we have to. I think it is incumbent upon us to withdraw.
In consideration of the cooperation made by Ms. Cassandra Ong,
can we also include Ms. Ronaldine Baterna, considering that she's been cooperative to this Quadcom, and she's been there for almost 3 weeks already, and I think letting her go will not jeopardize this investigation anymore. So I think, Mr. Chairman, let's include the Sir Speaker that the contempt that we cited be lifted.
The apprehension that I have, not only is her safety, their safety, but the assurance of this Quad committee that they will be available once we hold another committee hearing. They are two vital, important resource persons and witnesses. So, importante po yung kanilang cooperation at saka yung presence nila. Pag wala ho silang dalawa dito, wala ho tayong mapapala dito sa Quadcom.
Maybe it's best for us to ask Madam Baterna where she would want to go, here or you want to go out.
Ronaldine, naintindihan mo ba ang tanong ni Congressman Acop?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
At ano ang iyong sagot?
Go out?
May I go out? Okay. What is the manifestation of Congresswoman Luistro?
But we have to be assured, Mr. Chair, that she'll be available in the next committee hearing.
Yes po.
So, let's have a motion for Ronaldin Baterna.
Yeah,
Congressman Adjong.
Mr. Chair, on the basis of Ms. Ronaldin Baterna being cooperative, she already signed the bank waiver, everything that we asked her, she responded very well. I move that we lift, Mr. Chair, the contempt order placed against Ms. Baterna and allowed her to go home to her family. So moved,
Second, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so there's a motion to withdraw the order of contempt to Ms. Cassandra Leong, and this was duly seconded. And is there any objection? So there are two motions. One is to withdraw the contempt order, and the other one is also to rescind what's that? The penalty? Detention? Yeah. Okay. All right.
The motion to cite her for contempt states.
May I clarify first if Ms. Cassandra Ong conformed to the execution of waiver of all her bank transactions, including that of Lucky South and the other corporations to which she has connection.
Do you conform with that request of a waiver for all your bank records?
Pwede ko po munang tanungin ng counsel ko.
I believe, Mr. Chair, this will be our parameter if the good lady will really be cooperating with the Quadcom already. Although I wish to manifest my appreciation for the recent cooperation, notwithstanding that I share with the sentiment of Congressman Akop.
Cassie, what's your decision? Are you going to sign that waiver?
Yes po.
All right. Okay, thank you. So,
Thank you, Cassie.
Mubant.
I move to rescind the second contempt order against Ms. Ong, and also to move that to rescind also the earlier contempt that she be detained at the Women's Correction Facility, Mr. Chair. That's the second contempt order, Mr. Chair. So
Yeah, we understand. Okay, so there's a motion that was moved by Congressman Adjong.
Second,
Is there any second motion? Duly seconded by Congressman Rog. So, any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.